So welcome to Home Farmhouse. As you can see, there's quite a bit of space on the drive here to put a number of vehicles. And then we'll access through the oak front door. So as you come in the front door, you enter a hallway that goes one way to the lounge and another way into the barn. So we'll start into this room in here, which is the breakfast room, which also has access to the conservatory and the garden beyond. And here you can see we use this as storage and coffee making and the like. So as we move around, so we have a kitchen at the other end with range cooker and plenty of storage. So I'll take you first of all to the lounge. See, there's an understairs cupboard there with plenty of storage as well. So moving on into the lounge, you see a dual aspect over this way, and then as I pan round, open fire in the middle of the room, and then double doors at the far end with access again to the garden. So I'll just take you a bit of a tour. So outside of the lounge we can travel down the hallway, and the barn was brought into the living accommodation a number of years back. So out into the barn, and to the left is access to the garage, and then through here is the utility room with all of the usual things that you would expect in a utility room. We also have an additional fridge in here. So there's access to outside into the garden here. As we move into the barn, this is a really nice big area, and we've had we use this for a number of family get-togethers and parties and the like, with a huge wood burner that we had installed a few years back, which makes the whole room really nice and cosy, particularly in the winter months. That's the lighting, and a Romeo and Juliet gallery up here. So as we travel on through into the other part of the barn, we currently use this as a cinema room, with access and views over the garden, as you can see. And then at the far end of this particular room, there's additional storage which we use just as a gym at the moment, with views over the garden, as you can see. So there's quite a bit of space in this barn, as you can see here, and it could be used, I guess, as an annex as well if you wanted to. All sorts of other uses. So I'll take you through back into the main house. There's a downstairs toilet through here, and then as we travel upstairs, there's 4 bedrooms upstairs, and I'll show you the outlook. So in the village here you can see the village green and the church beyond, and over here is the village hall. Out the front here is an additional piece of land that belongs to us, so you could also move this wall forwards to gain some additional space out the front here. So the first bedroom here we use as a study at the moment. So there's a good sized room for either probably a bedroom or a study. Then the second room here is our second bedroom, with views over the back garden, and we've had some oak wardrobes fitted in here. And then hall leading to the second bedroom with a double bed, and then a really nice refitted bathroom in here. This is refitted recently. Nice modern bath and sink, mirror, etc. Then we move into the main bedroom here, with again views over the garden. Some wardrobes built in here, and then a hallway through here that leads to the dressing room. And again we've had some fitted oak wardrobes in here, and a Velux window over this way. And then if I turn full circle, this takes us into the ensuite with bath, sink and toilet, and a large Velux window. So that completes the tour of the home farmhouse.